What's up? Hello and good morning, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. A PC Monk here with another Bitcoin video. I've been not recording on YouTube for 4 days. Sorry about that. All the YouTube fans, those who don't join my stream but watch my YouTube, thank you all. This is a disclaimer that says the content of the channel is only for educational purpose, no financial advice. Now, with that being said, we made a move around here as we could see. So we essentially tried to lower this rectangle that we've been talking before, and the 38.8 sale says, could we do it now? I mean, if we do it now, then I think there's going to be an immense shorters around here, and especially when the New York market open, we might see a black swan event on Bitcoin and everything. All right, we still have to take a look at Dixie and stuff like that, but nonetheless, this was a descending wedge and we exited from the descending wedge. All right, but obviously if you take a look at it in a different way, all right, this had a couple of sell signals to it too. All right, only couple, okay, not much. I should show it on OKX. Now, if you take a look at it, this was a descending triangle. That means to the downside. It debated it once, came back, pushed it higher. At the top of this, we do have this rising wedge, which the end of it is around the 30,500, 30,600. So that is, so I'm in a position right now that I'm about to get stopped out again. Fortunately, I just paid $1 as I woke up. um, it's just I have to think about a couple other stuff, which I will after I finish up recording. But nonetheless, guys, there was two bear signals right here. None of them played out. So I think what we do trying to do here is trying to clear this liquidity, this rising wedge, this big rising wedge liquidity, which will be cleared once we hit around here 38K, right? It could be just another high around 36,000 and then get denied. Oh, that could happen, but I would say I still root for 38.8, somewhere around there. And well, when that happened, then we have to see the rejection from that point, which is around here to this area. We expect when we hit 38.8, we completely exit the rising wedge from this rising wedge and come lower. All right, where we stop, that's another question. Okay, now, this is what it is. On the other chart, on the trend line chart, our favorite chart, we could see that we've been doing, we've been slowly crawling up. Okay, slowly crawling up. Is it building liquidity for the upside or to the downside? We could see still until here we were always doing higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. This is the last one, makes a higher high right now, and this depends on this. So the pattern gets broken right here. We didn't come around this area, right? Around this area, we hold it above. Now it's trying to push higher. If this goes higher, then we do have another higher high. If it doesn't go higher, then it's a lower high. All right, and with the lower high, we expect it to at least come down to retest this or this high, this low, one of these lows. At the very extreme area, we expect around here 30, 32,000 guys, somewhere around 32,000. All right, somewhere around 32,000. If that's about to happen, uh, from here, I mean, we'll say from the top of a rising wedge, it's going to be only 15% from there. It's going to be a black swan event if that happened. I would say, like, everybody's be like, oh Lord, what a dump, what a dump. But some of these moves are kind of so wicky that it grabs our attention, not gonna lie. And with that being said, let's get back to this chart. Even this chart shows here, as I mean, I have this on every chart. I feel like this could be in play for a big scalp, so I might just go a little bit bigger here than usual. I've talked about this chart. I've talked about the right descending wedge here to the upside and the possible upside possibility. Now I want to talk about the downside possibility, meaning what? Meaning we get denied right here. All right, the first thing it needs to do, it needs to break the support of this descending wedge, which is the white line. And the white line and this yellow line, which was rejection all the time, and this line, they all coincides here, intersect right here. So it makes sense that we have a dump all the way around this area 37.7, 37.3. After that, maybe a pump and then a continuation down. And I think if we hold here, the next time we're going to come down, we're just going to slice through this buy liquidity. So we either stop here or stop here, one of these two, for a meaningful push to the upside, okay? And after that, if we hold here, this is gone. If we hold here, well, this got sliced through then. And then it comes this. Losing this area, I would say we are done, and we could see, some good momentum picking up from here. Now, is it going to be today? We really don't know, but it could come all the way down around this big liquidity, which is 35,000 something. Okay, 35,000 something. Really don't want to, push it out, but maybe the end of it. And then when we lost this, then talk about 32K, something like that. I'm still rooting on that 33.8 to 34K. It's essentially around here. Around here. There's some buy liquidity lying around here. Okay. So we'll see if this holds or not. If this doesn't hold, then I don't know, guys. Just pray to the Lord that the longers would stay. Because if this doesn't hold, we're definitely going here. And that would be it. And the descending wedge, it played out already, okay? And if we get denied here, that makes sense. It's at the bottom of this rectangle, shows weakness, and it shows weakness at a good pace. Then we're going to continue down. And this would be our highest high, 38,500. 8,500. We just have to see if that's true or not. And with that being said, let's take a look at Dixie. And then SPX. So Dixie been pumping from yesterday, as you guys could see. But at the same time, SPX went down. So here's what it is. SPX went down. Let me grab the 1 hour. SPX went down when we started today. Then it picked it back up. Not only yesterday's move, but the prior day too. All that sell-off, it came right here, guys. So this all happened in the last 20 minutes. So yeah, quick liquidity grab for a continuation to the downside, or we're going to continue up today because we were expecting SPX to continue up a little bit more than it should be, right? The gap has filled. We started from the top, we came back down, we filled the gap, we moved even a little bit lower, we filled this gap. Now what we need to do is, well, usually it does this. When it fills the gap, it goes, into that direction a little bit more. But yesterday when we filled the gap, we came back all the way up. So today it's either, we have to see how's ES1's doing. ES1 is a little bit stronger than usual, as you guys could see. And what about NQ1? NQ1 is holding yesterday's dump, and it's holding the high of the yesterday's dump. So we'll have to see here. I'd rather it hold the low and then push it higher than this, but we'll have to see if it regains this parallel channel or not. If it doesn't regain the parallel channel, today we could see some more downside on all of them. And VIX is actually reducing a little bit here. So that means less participant, less volatility in the market. All right. I've said about Dixie. Let's take a look at USDT dominance. Over 4 hours, it does look like this, right? Looks like it's breaking to the downside. So, and it actually looks good for a push to the upside, if you ask me. Right? It's getting ready for a move, guys, here. Although it's showing to the downside, I think this could be a debate. Maybe go a little bit lower, make a new low around here. Hold on. Make a new low around here. And with that, Bitcoin's gonna hit that 38.8, and then this comes back for a retest, hold, and then push it higher. Makes sense. And with that, Bitcoin will essentially go lower. I think this makes sense. Now, will it go higher? Will Bitcoin go higher, or that is it and this is it? We'll have to see. I don't think we're gonna. London is gonna show us something here today, but USDT dominance does not look good. I think it's just a ratio move because Bitcoin's going down, Bitcoin's going up. USDT will go down. All right. So with that being said, let's take a look at BTC CME. Hmm. It's literally at a good point for a rejection right now. No more gap, no nothing. Keep that in mind. And the open interest, yeah, it's increasing. The open interest is increasing means there are more participants in the market. All right, doesn't mean short or long. No, it just means there's more participant. Okay. With that being said, guys, I've talked about the high. I've talked about the low. So the high, like I said, I think it's gonna be 38.8 at maximum, and then we're gonna get rejection. The low, I've talked about it. We have to first lose this white line, and then when we lose that, it's either around here or here, and after that, we could see some more downside and essentially exiting this whole 36 to 38K range. And with that being said, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your supports over TradingView, over any platform, YouTube, over my streams. I've been getting a lot of supports, and I'm happy and I'm motivated. The problem is, yeah, my equity is a little bit low, and there's a lot of things. And lately, I've been a little bit more unsuccessful on trading than successful. I used to be better. I have to find the gaps and fix it. Hopefully, again, thank you all for watching this YouTube, and until next time, peace out.